I'm here at PCIM with Bruce Renouard. He's the CEO of PreSwitch. Hi, Bruce.
Good seeing you again, Ralph.
So, PreSwitch, the claim of fame of PreSwitch is silicon carbide performance with the price of silicon. Tell me more about it. Who is PreSwitch?
Fantastic. So PreSwitch is a technology company that's based in Silicon Valley, California. We've got a forced resonant soft switching technology. So we work with an ARCP architecture and control it so that we can effectively eliminate switching losses. Like what we pointed out here, that we can eliminate 98% of the turn-on switching losses and an almost equally amount of the turn-off switching losses. And that opens up a whole new world of power conversion efficiency.
So, what are the benefits of this technology?
Okay, once you eliminate the switching losses effectively, using that term liberally, once you effectively eliminate the switching losses, you can now have two value propositions. One is you can either switch the device much faster, or you can take that efficiency and use it to reduce the transistor count or to reduce the heat sink amounts. So it's got a cost benefit, and it's also got a high performance, high switching frequency benefit. And lastly is we solve this problem known as DVDT, which is critical for motor drives and for the electric motor industry.
So this also relates onto, if I take electromobility into a wider range, isn't it?
That's correct. What we found is that if you switch faster, you can produce a much better quality sine wave that goes into the electric motor, and that increases the torque and motor efficiency, especially at low torques. And that gives you an extra 5 to 12% range. So effectively, we made a technology that makes the inverter switch faster, which makes the sine wave better, that goes into the motor, and makes the motor and the EV go further, or have a lower cost and lighter weight battery.
So which kinds of applications can benefit from the PreSwitch technology?
Well, any power converter that's above 50 kilowatts is going to have a benefit, but clearly the higher power you go, the bigger that benefit is. We're seeing customers trying to work on it with with solar, with wind, with industrial motor drives, with traction trains, and also with medical devices, and of course e-mobility. So anywhere there's high power conversion that needs to take place, we're there. And specifically, the biggest advantage is we're the only company in the world that can do DC to AC soft switching today.
So you have primarily targeted silicon IGBTs, but it also has benefits on silicon carbide.
Yeah, actually what we're focusing today is, if you look at our evaluation system, we introduced a 200 kilowatt evaluation system that's got 99% efficiency running at 100 kilohertz, and that's using silicon carbide. And so silicon carbide is wonderful, and it has the added benefit that the reduced switching losses, and we can reduce 95% of its switching losses. So that gives a much better quality sine wave and makes a much smaller inverter and reduces the DC link capacitor sizes.
So Bruce, thank you very much for this introduction.
Thanks, Ralph. Hope to see you again.